In front of me is the tablet 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Now firstly, to add an audio file, hit this plus at the bottom left corner of this section. Hit Files, and to locate your audio one, select Audio at the top, tap on one of those apps or use those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, after locating your file, you need to hold it and click on Select at the top right corner to attach it. To add a video one though, you can click on Gallery section instead of Files, or just click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner as well. Either way, to add a video, click on it, or if it's not recent, select Folders, look for it here and click on it as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!